If you want to know how to fix a Snapchat login error, you've come to the right place. So as you can see, I can easily use a Snapchat. So I successfully fixed this problem. I can easily send messages, receive snaps, send snaps, and so on. So how can you do the same? You need to follow these steps I'll show in this video to fix this problem 100%. And firstly, check your internet connection, cause sometimes you won't be able to log in because you don't have basically any internet. The next thing we need to check is that we need to open App Store or Google Play and here search for Snapchat. Make sure that you have the latest version, so if you have the update button right up here on their main page, please download it cause sometimes Snapchat doesn't support old versions of their app. Then we need to open settings and here we'll come basically to this page. We need to scroll down to find a Snapchat. On the Android it may look a little bit different, but nothing special. I think you'll find the solution. So here we need to open Snapchat and make sure that background app refresh feature is turned on. So after that, go back to the first page, then scroll down, scroll up, and now go to general and here search for iPhone storage. So after that, all the data will be calculated and we'll be able to manage our Snapchat settings on storage. It's very important, so wait until everything will be uploaded. Sometimes it takes maybe 5 seconds, sometimes 10, depends on your data you have on your device. So on the Android it may look a little bit different, but I hope you'll find this page. And from this page we need to go to Snapchat and here click on Upload app. Then just click on Upload once more, and as you can see, uploading will delete the app but keep its documents and data. So after all, we need to reinstall app. By clicking on the same button here, it will change to reinstall. So then we can easily close settings, and now our logging error on Snapchat will be automatically fixed. And the hardest way of how can we try to fix it is just contact their support team through Google. So we need to open the Snapchat, search for help.snapchat.com, and here contact the support by simply submitting a report. So this is a way of how can we fix a Snapchat login error. Hope this video helped you out. Leave a like, subscribe. Goodbye.